Anyone who has a DOI-issued PIV card will be able to log into the CLP via the NPS login workflow. However, the NPS workforce is made up of many people who do not have a DOI-issued PIV card, including our partners and volunteers. These members of the NPS workforce may still create CLP accounts and log in, but they must be invited by someone with a PIV card. CLP login page. If you have a PIV card and you'd like to invite members of the NPS workforce to join the CLP community, first log in to the CLP using the Log In Now button on the left-hand side of the screen. For demo purposes, I'll be logging in via the public login field, typing username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see the orange My Tools menu just under your profile picture. In the My Tools menu, click on Send Invites. Send Invites selection. In step 1, enter the email addresses of any members of the NPS workforce who do not have an nps.gov email address. 1 email per line. Email address is typed into email address field. You may modify the text of the email invitation, which will be sent in step 3. Customize the text of invitation field expands. In step 4, you may also send an invitation to join certain CLP Commons groups, in addition to sending an invitation to create a CLP account. After you've finished configuring your invitation text, click the Send Invites button to send invitations to join the CLP to email addresses you entered in step 1. The CLP is a professional community for the NPS workforce. We ask that you carefully consider who you send CLP invitations to. You may be contacted by a site administrator if someone you invite to join the CLP community behaves in an inappropriate fashion. You must click the Accept button to acknowledge this as a final step before your invitations are sent. Green Accept button. After the invitations are sent, the page will refresh to display a list of all of the invitations you have sent to join the CLP community. This page allows you to monitor the invitations you've sent. You can see which invitations have been accepted and which have not. If you decide to rescind the invitation, simply click the red X in the first column. Red X beside email address. You may return to the Sent Invitations page at any time in your CLP user profile by logging in, clicking on your profile picture at the top right, clicks on Profile Photo, selecting Send Invites from the My Profile menu, Send Invites menu selection, or selecting Sent Invites from the Invites sub-menu. Clicks Sent Invites. List of sent email invitations.